ถ่ายรูปหน่อย
How cool is this? Hey, สวัสดีครับ
ทำเลยค่ะทำเลย
Look, she makes like a hot dog ice cream.
Yeah the bread yeah
Yeah, that's so cool. Can I look inside?
ค่ะดูเลย she wait for you to make
Oh,
it's
wow.
very nice
Thank you.
it's your
Thanks.
yeah
Oh, that's
Sorry,
awesome.
forget to pay คิดนะมอง
This is great.
อันนี้คลิปนะคะไปละค่ะขอบคุณค่ะ
ขอบคุณครับ Thank you.
เดี๋ยวมาอุดหนุนใหม่แซ่บgood
What is it? How much was this?
10 baht but I give her extra 10 baht
Only 10 baht. It's amazing. Cool, yeah?
it's great
Yeah, it is good.
she very confident about the taste because if you not put enough the coconut milk will make the taste not good like this and she care and she say yeah she put a lot and she explain the white part is coconut milk flavor and this pink part is the pink milk like a Thai style she explained about that and under have like the sticky rice with the coconut milk too like you eat
Oh, yeah.
with the mango
Oh,
usually
yeah.
in the mango
Oh, that's cool.
yeah and big
Yeah, and 10 baht.
yeah
Like 30 cents. Yeah, maybe. Hold on. So you can see the rice inside on the bottom and the different kinds of ice cream. And then sprinkle on the top. What's that on the top?
yeah
Like, do you know what that is?
the soybean
Oh, soybean. Okay. Yeah, cool.
sorry attention for ice cream so much very very delicious and she nice she wait for you
Uh-huh.